Assalamu alaikum everybody. Let's start today's our lesson. Demak, bugungi darsimizni boshladik. Mirosga Qizildan darslarimizni olib borayotgandik. So, let's start. Demak, boshladik. Bugungi mavzu Unit 9 I have got. I have got degani ega bo'lmoq ma'nosida ishlatiladi o'zbek tilida. Ya'ni bor bo'lmoq, ega bo'lmoq ma'nosida keladi. Okay? Ketdik. You can say I have or I have got, he has or he has got. Yani I have desangizam, I have got desangizam farqi yo'q bularni. Ikkalasi bir xil ma'noda keladi. Yani I have got desangizam, I have desangizam ikkalasi ma'nosi bir xil. Ma'no umuman o'zgarmaydi. Ikkalasi ham egalikni bildiradi. Okay? Lekin present perfectda kelsa bu biroz boshqacha. Uni present perfect o'tganda o'tamiz. Okay? Demak, I have yoki I have got. I have got mana qisqartirilgan shakli I've bo'lyapti. Keyin I, we, you, theylarga nisbatan have, he, she, itlarga nisbatan has ni olamiz. Demak, he has, she has, it has bo'ladi. I have, we have, you have, they have. Agar got bilan ishlatsak, I have got, we have got, you have got, they have got, he has got, she has got, it has got. Okay? Misollarga qaraymiz. I have got a headache, ya'ni boshim og'riyapti deyapti. I have got blue eyes yoki I have blue eyes. Ikkalasi ham farqi yo'q, ya'ni, okay? Mana menda I have got blue eyes deyapti. Bunda ham I have blue eyes deyapti. Ya'ni ikkalasi ham bir xil ma'no ishlatilyapti, lekin bu yerda got, bu yerda have o'zi. Ya'ni menda ko'k ko'zim bor desa ham o'sha ma'no, bunda ham o'sha ma'no. Tim has got two sisters. Timda ikkita singlisi bor deyapti. Bunda ham Tim has two sisters. Ya'ni bir xil ma'no. Our car has got four doors. Bizning mashinamizda 4 ta eshigi bor. Diana isn't feeling well. Diana o'zini yaxshi his qilmayapti. She's got a headache. She has got. She has got. Has bor bu yerda. Qilgan. She's got a headache. Demak, u boshi og'riyapti. She's got, mana she has got deb yozib. They like animals. Ular hayvonlarni yaxshi ko'radilar. They have got a horse, 3 dogs and 6 cats. Ya'ni ularda bitta ot, 3 ta dog va 6 ta cat bor ekan. Dog kuchuk, cat mushuk. I haven't got, have you got? Endi so'roq shaklida kelsa, nima bo'lar ekan? Have oldinga tushar ekan. Mana negativ shaklda not tushunchasi olyapti. Notni have dan keyin qo'yapmiz. Agar have ni o'zini ishlatsak, have dan keyin qo'yamiz. Got bilan ishlatsak, got dan oldin o'sha have dan keyin qo'yaveramiz. Ya'ni bir xil ikkalasi ham, okay? I haven't got bo'ladi. He hasn't got bo'ladi. Questionda have oldinga o'tadi. Have dan keyin ega keladi. Egadan keyin got kelyapti. Have I got, have we got, have you got, has he got. Gotni ishlatmasak ham bo'laveradi. Qisqa javoblarda yes, I have, ya'ni have bilan savol berilsa, albatta have bilan yoki have not bilan javob berish majburiy. I have got a motorbike but I haven't got a car. Mr. and Mrs. Harris haven't got any children. It's a nice house but it hasn't got a garden. Have you got a camera? No, I haven't. What have you got in your bag? Nothing, it's empty. Empty degani ichida hech narsa yo'q degani. Has Anna got a car? Yes, she has. What kind of car has she got? See the I don't have. Do you have? Mana bu yerda in negative and questions you can also use do. Ya'ni faqatgina have ni emas, siz do ni ham ishlatsangiz bo'ladi. Misol uchun they don't have any children. They haven't got any children. It's a nice house but it doesn't have a garden. It hasn't got a garden. Mana bu yerda does Anna have a car? Yokida has Anna get a car desangizda farqi yo'q yani. Bu yerda Annaga nisbatan has bo'lishi kerak, lekin bu yerda does bo'lganligi uchun bu have bo'lyapti. Okay? How much money do you have? Qancha puling bor yoki how much money have you got? Ya'ni qancha puling bor. Ikkalasi ham bir xil ma'no. Do bilan ham have bilan ham. Qarang, maslarga kelamiz. Write the short form, ya'ni bularni qisqartirilgan shaklini yozing deyapti. He has got desa, demak, he qilamiz, apostrof qo'yamiz, t yozamiz, mana shu he has bo'ladi. Buni ma'nosidan chiqaramiz. Got desa, mana shu gotdan chiqaramiz. Chunki bu he is bo'lishi ham mumkin, ha? Mana shunaqa yozish he is bo'lishi ham mumkin. Shuning uchun ma'nosidan chiqaramiz. They have bo'lsa, they qilamiz, apostrof qo'yamiz, they yozamiz. Mana they have. She has bo'lsa, bu ham xuddi shunaqa she yozamiz, apostrof qo'yamiz, say qo'yamiz, she bo'ladi. Bu yerga keyin not got yozamiz. yoki has not ni ham qisqartirsak bo'ladi. Bunda ikkitasini qisqartirsak bo'ladi. Farqi yo'q. It has got ham xuddi shunaqa it apostrophe say keyin got yozamiz. Mana shu I have not got da ikkita shaklda yozsak ham bo'ladi albatta. What's happening? Misol uchun mana I apostrophe the not ekana I've not got, I haven't got bo'lyapti. Endi xuddi mana shuni I qilib have apostrophe qo'y have qo'ysak ham bo'ladi. Haven't. I haven't got a car. No. Demak, right questions. You an umbrella. Have you got an umbrella? Bu yerga savol qo'yish kerak ekan, oson bo'ladi. A passport bo'lsa, ikkita so'roq bilan ishlasangiz bo'ladi. Misol uchun, have you got a passport? Have you got a passport yoki have you got a passport yokida ikkinchisini do you have a passport? Ikkalasi ham to'g'ri ma'noda keladi. Okay, do you have a passport? Bularni yozamiz. Men oxiriga yordam beraman. What kind of car Julia? Mana WH ni o'zing keladi. What endi haven't keladi. What bu kind of ekan. What kind of car has Julia got? Okay. And what does Tina goes? What have you got? Look at the information, write sentences. Bularga mana shu Tinada nima bor, nima yo'qlarni qarab, misol uchun bicycle yo'q ekan, kamerasi bor ekan, bu brothers and sisterlari, aka-ukalari bor ekan, mana shularni yozar ekanmiz. Misol uchun mana Tina has got a camera, unda kamerasi bor, and the bicycle, Tinada bicycle bormi? Yo'q. Buni yozamiz. Tina has not got a bicycle. Long hair bo'lsa, Tina has got a long hair. Brother sister bo'lsa, Tina has brothers and sisters yoki ikkita uchta qilib yozib ketsangiz bo'ladi. Put have got, I've got, has got, haven't got, hasn't got. Bularni have got yoki has got yoki haven't got yoki hasn't got yozib ketish kerak ekan. They like animals. They've got 3 dogs and 2 cats. Charles isn't happy. He a lot of problems. Charles deyapti, umuman xafa deyapti. O'shaning uchun nimaga? Unda problema ko'pligidan u xafa. Demak, he has got bo'ladi. He has got. They don't read much. Ular ko'p o'qimaydi. They many books. Ular ko'p o'qimaydi. They haven't got many books. Ya'ni ularda ko'p kitob yo'q. Bu yerda ma'nosidan chiqaramiz o'shani. They haven't got. What's wrong? Nimadir bo'ldimi desa, I something in my eye. I have got something in my eye. Where is my pen? Meni inglishga qayerda? I don't know. Bilmadim. I haven't it. Ya'ni u menda emas. Julia wants to go to the concert, but she has not a ticket. Has not a ticket. If he hasn't got a ticket, got me off Complete the sentences use have, has got, or haven't, hasn't got, plus one of these. Demak, bu tepalardagi qarab, mana shularga bitta yozib chiqarishamiz. Misol uchun, most cars, bu yerda ko'p mashinalarda nima bo'lishi mumkin? Bu yerdan topamiz. A lot of friends. Juda ko'p do'stlari bo'ladimi mashinalarda? Bo'lmaydi. 6 legs. 6 ta oyog'i bo'ladimi? Bo'lmaydi. At whose age? Tish og'rig'i bo'ladimi? Bo'lmaydi. A key. Kaliti bo'ladimi? Kaliti albatta bo'ladi. Much time. Ko'p vaqti bo'ladimi? Mashinada vaqti bo'lmaydi. Demak, kaliti. Bu yerda 4 wheels, 4 ta balonni bor deyapti. Demak, key bilan bu to'g'ri keladi. Kalit mashinada kalit ham bo'ladi, 4 ta balondan bo'ladi. Endi most cars burga qarasak, cars bor, ya'ni ko'plik shaklida. Demak, biz bitta kalit desak, bu ko'plik shakliga to'g'ri kelmaydi. Bizga ko'plik shakli kerak. Demak, ko'plik shakli bizda qaysi? 4 wheels bo'ladi. Most cars have ishlatamiz chunki bu ko'plik shakl. Have got 4 wheels. Everybody likes Tom. Hamma Tomni yaxshi ko'radi deyapti. He chunki u misol uchun qaysi bir bo'laydi? 6 legs. 6 ta oyog'i bor, shunga hammasi yaxshi ko'radi. Xato bo'ladi. Uning tish og'riydi desa xato bo'ladi. Unda vaqt ko'p desa yoki unda kalit bor desa bo'lmaydi. Demak, bizda bir dona a lot of friends. Buni hamma yaxshi ko'radi chunki unda do'stlari ko'p deyapti. He has got yoki he has ikkalasidan topdi. A lot of friends. Yoki do'stlari bor. I'm going to the dentist this morning. Men bugun ertalab tish doktoriga boraman chunki mening tishim og'riyapti. I have got yoki I have a toothache. He cannot open the door. U eshikni ocha olmayapti chunki unda kalit yo'q. He hasn't got a key. An insect has 6 legs. Bo'ladi. 6 ta oyog'i bor. We must hurry. Biz shoshilishimiz kerak chunki bizda vaqt kam. We have not got much time. Bizda vaqtimiz ko'p emas. Bu insect hasharot, oyog'i 6 ta bor degani bu hasharot. Got it? So have a good day. Bugungi darsimiz ham tugadi. Sog' bo'linglar, salomat bo'linglar. Bu qilmaganlarni bajarib ketinglar. Okay, see you guys.